Check it out. This is the camp spot for tonight. Under a, can't see it from there, under a microwave tower. A couple of beat up buildings over there. And just watching the sunrise while I've got my breakfast on the go. Doesn't get much better than that, man. Oh, it's about, what we talking? It's just gone 6:30. Sun's just coming up. Wind's much lower today, so I'm happy. I'm really chuffed. It's getting the water on the boil, and yeah, just kind of well rested. I need to do at least 100k today, so 100k is the marker, and then I'll rest. Set up camp. Beautiful sunrise. Just loving it. Loving it. Look, this is what you're missing out on. So we've got my cat breakfast on the go there. Just waiting for it to cool down a bit. And these are all my ingredients. I've got the nuts, oats, peanut butter, water, dates. And that's about, I'd like to say about 200, 300 grams of oats. A handful of dates, handful of nuts, and probably 60 grams of peanut butter. And that's about double the amount of water in weight. And no, it doesn't get better than this, really. I like watching the sun just come up, just chilling out.